yeah. Promise I really don't mind it. Don't you move. I raise some time for you. I can't decide for you. Oh no, you choose. I raise some time for you. I can't decide for you. Oh no, you choose. Wanna know me? Whole time you been waiting on me. Trying to take it slowly. Take time just to get to know me. Oh no. Once I come around, don't wanna go home. No. Take time. Too many things on my mind. Too many.
Hey dollies, it's KK Fairwoodman. I'm back again with another video. If you are new here, make sure you're subscribed, and if you are returning, thank you so much for tuning into this channel. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this super voluptuous pin curls, girl. This took me a hot little minute. I be rushing when I be doing my curls on my channel, and I wanted to show y'all how soft these curls are. It's so cute. This is the hair box that the hair comes in, and when I'm not using my wig, I make sure I put my hair back in this box. This is the KC hair box, super cute. We love the packaging, and it comes with this satin bag with the logo on it, so just in case you want to go and store your hair back in here, you can. Y'all, I finally got the banana clip. Let me show y'all how cute my hair looks when it's up. I look so cute. Period. These are the duck clips that I got, y'all. But you don't want to use it no more, or you storing it, make sure you put it back in here. Subscribe. Nice and cute. It's like curved part at the bottom. I've always been into the beauty world since a young TikTok. I've always watched skincare routines. I've always loved getting dressed up, getting dolled up, getting cute fashion, getting all the shoes. Jump Girl Jordan phase? Yeah, I was one of those girls. If you're wondering how I got so much followers, it's because of that. Literally. I grew out that phase. I still love shoes. My favorite shoes are dunks right now. Like, y'all, I want to just wake up and be able to just buy something. Just get up and be like, oh, I want a Chanel bag today. And then I go get the Chanel bag. That podcast I started, oh my gosh, y'all, the podcast is so much fun. The episode that I did with Raymond last week for this week, I be filming it in advance. That's the lip gloss. I really hope you guys will like the smell. It smells amazing. It smells just like, you don't know what I smell like? The videos that do the most good with views on this channel is all of the fashion try-on hauls. Y'all love when I do them fashion try-on hauls. When I tell y'all, y'all love it. Y'all love it. And I love y'all. That Skims video is doing so good. Don't ever do YouTube solely for money, y'all. Like, I don't think you will do good if you only do YouTube for the money. The money is a big part of it, don't get me wrong, but it shows when you just doing YouTube and you're not passionate about it for real, because the consistency, you're gonna like the consistency for real, and it's just not gonna be there for you. You just not gonna like it, because it's a lot to edit. It's a lot of effort and time that goes into this stuff. And it's just, y'all cannot play with this stuff. If you like it, you like it. If you do it, then do it. That's the best advice that I can give you guys. Yesterday, y'all do not give out your personal phone number. When you meeting with these brands, you better set up a Google meeting and make my little TikTok. Alright, you guys, y'all gonna watch me do that. Oh, we almost done with the hair. I'm actually on TikTok. If you're from TikTok and you're following me now and you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Scent craft, you can actually scan this on the side. Whether you shop my brand or not, you can actually make your own fragrance for the holiday season. Listen, the shipping time is regular 10 days, but if you want to do express shipping, it's 3 days to get to you.